name is Kathy, the Tagalog instructor for BL Papa. Before we begin the cultural showcase, we like to announce and introduce the BL Papa or Bukang Liwayway Filipino-Americano Pangarap Asosasyon. This non-profit based right here in Elk Grove is committed to preserve Filipino heritage through dance, music, language, and community events. Our mission is to inspire a deeper appreciation to Filipino cultural and foster unity within diverse community. Thanks to Filipino Fiesta 2025 event for this opportunity to celebrate and share our cultural heritage. Now, let's kick off our cultural showcase with an exciting treasure from Southern Philippines. Our first performance is called Subanen, a vibrant dance from Zamboanga Peninsula, Philippines that celebrates for our land and nature for our community. Traditionally, this dance is performed by Subanen women during festivals and wedding traditional celebrations. This dance pictures the graceful use compass of rattan leaves, beautifully choreographed of Jen Carlos. Here is the Talak dance, the Subanen dance. Let's give our performance a big round of applause and enjoy the show.